Hello. Good day, everyone. This is Tevz. Welcome back to this channel. The next repair is a 52-inch Pensonic Smart LED TV, model LED5288. It's turning on, but the image is very bright and yellow. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started.
Sabi niya, tiara rin. Yung mga protector at supporters ni Shminet ay delikato o may... I-challenge na natin sila. Bakit DND? Anong alam ang Vice Presidente patungkol sa National Defense? Diba? Anong alam niya? Sa education nga lang eh. Diba? Wala. Puro lang pukpok. Dahil walang alam. So, anong alam niya sa National Defense? Diba? Eh, pag may bagyo nga, lumalabas ng bansa. Ano yun? Pag National Defense, kung kailan may bagyo, saka lalabas ng bansa? Ang Vice Presidente? Tapos DND pa? Oh. Huh?
This symptom of a very bright image is usually a VCOM problem. So let's measure the VCOM voltage at the TCON. VCOM voltage is about 5 to 7 volts. VCM is the VCOM. The voltage is only 1.1 volt. Let's disconnect the flat wire going to the top board, right side, and try if the voltage gets normal. The voltage still 1 volt. Let's disconnect both flat wires and try again. The voltage now is 7.1 volts. Seems the left side of the panel is the problem.
Let's connect back the right side flat wire. The voltage stays at 7.1 volts, and we have a normal image in half of the screen.
The left side of the panel is the defective VCOM line. The problem could be a capacitor or the COF. If a COF is the defect, there is no chance of fixing it. Let's trace where the VCOM is connected. The line of the VCOM line is connected to these ceramic capacitors.
The VCOM is all connected at the edge of the COF. VCOM, common voltage, is the reference voltage used in LCD and LED display panels to control liquid crystal molecules and ensure proper image quality. Let's apply flux to each VCOM capacitor. If the flux melts, it means the capacitor is shorted. We will not inject voltage into the VCOM line. We will just use the 1 volt coming from the VCOM supply. Now let's plug in the TV and power it on. I don't see melting flux. Seems this capacitor melts the flux a little bit. Looks like I really need a thermal camera for this kind of troubleshooting. This capacitor is hot. Let's remove the capacitor.
The capacitor is not totally shorted. It has a resistance of 0.60 kiloohms or 600 ohms. I don't inject voltage on it because sometimes the capacitor gets open while it's being injected and you cannot trace it anymore. If the capacitor has not been replaced, there is possibility of getting shorts again. Let's try the TV without the capacitor. The image is normal now. The TV works without the capacitor, but let's just replace it. Let's get the same size capacitor from this TCON board. The value is about 10 to 47 microfarads, 25 volts.
A few moments later.
The TV is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. You can support this channel by liking and subscribing. Click the notification bell to stay updated. Once again, this is Tevs. See you again next time. Bye for now.
Napansin magkadikit kasi yung yung public, yung PSH at saka yung operation table. Anyway, mga kaibigan, punta muna tayo sa mga reports. Si Pangulong Bongbong Marcos po, pinangunguna